This will literally change everything. What's up guys, welcome back to the latest news. Two of the best thing in tech right now, hands down, is Samsung x AMD and Samsung x Google. Samsung, as we know, helping Google out on their custom chip. They're also ditching Tizen OS to use Google Wear OS on the upcoming Galaxy Watch 4. And now Samsung is an active contributor towards the future of Android, aka Fuchsia OS. Yes, if you guys don't know, Fuchsia OS is widely regarded as the future replacement for Android. It's a brand new operating system that can be used on tablets, smartphones, wearables, and more. Google has been working on this for years, and Samsung is now an active contributor towards this whole project. Based on this huge news, it's speculated that Samsung might adopt this brand new Fuchsia OS for its future Galaxy smartphones. If this new operating system surpasses Android when it comes to updatability, reliability, and security, then there's a huge chance that it will one day replace Android. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also in the news, as we know, Samsung is a crazy company. They've got a lot of crazy future projects, and this one is right up there. According to Korean media, Samsung is rumored to be working on a 1000 ppi display for the year 2024. That is absolutely mad. That amount of ppi will make that display absolutely crisp. It's expected to be used on future Samsung smartphones and future Samsung VR products. As long as Samsung exists, the future of tech will be amazing. Now coming back to the massive leak we saw yesterday regarding the Google Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro, we've got another credible source saying that the renders are indeed true. Max Weinbach backs up everything that we saw yesterday. Not just that, he also teased some big specs gain for the Pixel 6 Pro. Google really is going all the way out this year. Google's own chip on Google's own software. For the first time, we have a perfect answer to the iPhone. Also, we have the final look of the new Huawei P50 series. These are going to be the absolute camera monster flagships coming very soon. They're rocking a super unique design that stands out, and I'm gonna be honest guys, I actually like this design. We're not sure about the specs, but Huawei is doing something crazy. This phone is rumored to pack world's largest smartphone sensor, aka the 1-inch Sony sensor. That might actually happen, along with variable telescope system similar to Sony and similar to what Samsung is working on for the upcoming Galaxy S22 lineup. So I'm super duper excited for this one. And last but not the least, apparently Samsung has delayed the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 along with the S21 FE to the month of August. Previously it was rumored to happen in July, but now it's gonna happen in the month of August. That is usually the time when Samsung announces the Galaxy Note flagship, but this time they're gonna be announcing the new Fold series along with the S21 FE and possibly their brand new upcoming Exynos 2200 with AMD graphics. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Follow me on my Instagram, that's where I'm most active, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.